How to find the best professional to repair your air conditioning. Air conditioning is a device commonly installed in apartments where the challenge is to regulate the ambient temperature. More commonly intended and essential for countries with extreme temperature peaks, it is clear that its use is sometimes affected by breakdowns. What are some tips for finding the most competent AC repair in Gurgaon repairer in this area? Go to a qualified air conditioning repair site, www.cityservicehub.com. Digital has taken a major place in everyone's existence. It has therefore become very common to go to a website to obtain a product or service. This is also the case when you experience a breakdown at your home. All you have to do is go to a search engine and enter a keyword that can lead to the resolution of the technical fault in your air conditioning system, the AC repair. In Gurgaon, professionals suited to your request must be competent, credible, and have extensive experience in air conditioning repairs. This is the biggest flaw on the internet. You will need to be aware of this and carefully check accreditations and other work licenses. This process may take longer than expected. However, if you plan to find the best professional for the installation of your air conditioning as well as its repair, do your due diligence by going to this site. Contact a repair agency in your region. If you are from Gurgaon, then we will recommend City Service Hub. For air conditioning repairs, many individuals call on the competent agencies close to where they live. They have a reputation in the sector, which for you can be a very convincing indicator of reliability. The repair agencies all comply with the legislation and regulations in force in order to guarantee your safety and that of their craftsmen. For all these prerequisites, they will charge you according to the service provided. Opt for a craftsman promoted by those around you. Man is a social animal. It is therefore not surprising that the resolution of the many problems he encounters passes through his close or distant entourage. Eventually, in your daily circle of life, someone must have encountered an air conditioning breakdown. By mentioning this subject to those around you, you will be curious to easily obtain the number of City Service Hub, an AC repair in Gurgaon professional.